You don't always need a bank account to receive rewards because several legitimate apps let you cash out through PayPal, cryptocurrency, or digital gift cards instead of direct bank transfers. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 apps that offer alternatives to bank deposits and what you need before requesting a payout. The first app is eFreeCashin. You earn rewards by completing game offers, surveys, and other online tasks. Once your rewards are available, you can redeem them through supported options including PayPal, cryptocurrency, and a wide selection of gift cards. If you already use one of those payment methods, linking a traditional bank account isn't always necessary. Next is eScrambling. The platform rewards users for completing milestones inside partner games and other offers. After your rewards are credited, you can redeem them using supported payout methods such as PayPal and gift cards. The process is designed for users who prefer digital payment options over direct bank transfers. Third is NJCash Giraffe. Android users earn coins by playing supported mobile games. Those coins can be exchanged for PayPal Cash or gift cards after meeting the app's redemption requirements. Since the rewards are delivered digitally, many users don't need to receive payments through a bank account. The fourth option is JustPlaying. The app pays users for playing games from its library, and rewards become available after gameplay is credited. Depending on your region and the payment method supported by the app, you can receive rewards without relying on a traditional bank transfer. The fifth app is Rewarded Playing. Instead of paying cash directly, Rewarded Play lets users exchange earned points for digital gift cards. If your goal is free gift cards for shopping, entertainment, or online purchases, you can use the app without worrying about connecting a bank account. One thing to remember is that no bank account needed doesn't mean no payment account needed. Most reward apps still require a PayPal account, a supported crypto wallet, or another eligible redemption method before they can send your rewards. Some platforms may also request identity verification before certain withdrawals to protect against fraud. If you want the most payment flexibility, FreeCash and Scrambly offer multiple redemption options. If you mainly enjoy mobile games, Cash Giraffe and JustPlay are strong choices. If gift cards are all you need, Rewarded Play keeps things simple. If this comparison helped you find the right app, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best reward and money-making apps for 2026.